In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best inflatable paddle boards on Amazon in 2026. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best inflatable paddle boards on Amazon. Number 1, Skatinger 11-foot 6-inch by 35-inch extra wide inflatable paddle board, ultra stable stand-up paddle board for up to 450 pounds, family SUP with backpack, shoulder strap and US fin. Extra wide 35-inch design provides superior balance and stability, perfect for beginners, families, and multi-person use. High weight capacity up to 450 pounds, supports up to 3 people, making it ideal for family adventures or group paddling. Durable inflatable construction made with high-quality materials for strength, rigidity, and long lasting performance. That all-around SUP design suitable for cruising, yoga, fishing, and recreational water activities. Portable and travel-friendly, includes a 100L backpack and shoulder strap for easy transport and storage. Quick inflation system designed for fast setup so you can get on the water quickly. US fin system ensures better tracking, control, and stability while paddling. Comfortable deck pad non-slip surface provides added safety and comfort during use. Enjoy ultimate stability and fun on the water with the Skatinger 11 feet 6 inches extra wide inflatable paddle board. Designed with a spacious 35-inch width, this stand-up paddleboard offers exceptional balance, making it perfect for beginners, families, and even multi-person use. With an impressive 450 pounds weight capacity, it can comfortably support up to 3 people, making it ideal for. Number 2, RAYOCON 11 feet by 34 inches inflatable stand-up paddleboard, extra wide ultra-stable SUP for adults and dogs, 450 pounds capacity, dual chamber pump. Fiberglass paddle, extra wide 34-inch stable design, enhanced balance and stability, perfect for beginners, adults, and even paddling with pets. High weight capacity up to 450 pounds, strong enough for multiple riders or carrying gear with ease. Military grade dual layer construction, durable, rigid build for long-lasting performance and improved safety. Dual chamber pump system, faster, more efficient inflation with added safety backup chamber. Fiberglass paddle included, lightweight and durable paddle for better control and performance. All-around versatile SUP, ideal for cruising, yoga, fishing, and recreational water activities. Non-slip deck pad, comfortable and secure surface for improved grip and safety. Portable and easy storage, inflatable design allows compact storage and easy transport. Take your water adventures to the next level with the RAYOCON inflatable stand-up paddleboard, designed for maximum stability, durability, and versatility. With its extra-wide 34-inch design, this SUP offers. Number 3, Sloosh 10 feet 6 inches inflatable stand-up paddleboard, all-around SUP with premium accessories, non-slip EVA deck, ultralight carry bag and pump for youth and adults. 10 foot 6 inch all-around design, perfect size for beginners and intermediate riders, offering a balance of stability and maneuverability. Non-slip EVA deck pad provides excellent grip and comfort for safer paddling in all conditions. Lightweight and portable, easy to carry with the included ultralight carry bag, ideal for travel and storage. Premium accessories included, comes with pump and essential gear for quick setup and convenience. Durable inflatable construction, built with high-quality materials for strength and long-lasting use. Stable and beginner-friendly, designed for riders of all skill levels, including youth and adults. Versatile use, great for cruising, yoga, fishing, and recreational water activities. Quick inflation system, efficient pump allows fast and easy setup. Enjoy fun and adventure on the water with the Sloosh 10 feet 6 inches inflatable stand-up paddleboard, designed for riders of all skill levels. Its all-around shape provides the perfect. Number 4, HEYBOARD 10 feet 6 inches inflatable stand-up paddleboard, all-around SUP with premium accessories, non-slip deck, backpack, paddle, pump and waterproof bag. 10 foot 6 inch all-around design, balanced size, offers excellent stability and maneuverability for beginners and experienced riders. 32 Wide stable platform provides strong balance for safer and more comfortable paddling. Non-slip deck pad textured surface ensures secure footing and added comfort on the water. Complete SUP kit included comes with paddle, hand pump, leash, backpack, and waterproof bag. Durable inflatable construction built with high-quality materials for strength and long-lasting use. Portable and travel-friendly, easily deflates and fits into the included backpack for convenient transport. Quick inflation pump efficient setup so you can get on the water faster. Versatile use ideal for cruising, yoga, fishing, and recreational water activities. Enjoy a complete paddleboarding experience with the HEYBOARD 10 feet 6 inches inflatable stand-up paddle board, designed for versatility, stability, and convenience. With its 32-inch wide platform and all-around shape, this SUP offers excellent balance, making it suitable for beginners and experienced paddlers alike. The non-slip deck pad provides a secure and comfortable surface, helping you maintain stability during various activities like paddling, yoga, or relaxing on the water. Built from durable, high-quality materials, this inflatable board ensures long-lasting performance across different water conditions. This paddleboard comes as a full package with premium accessories, including a paddle, hand pump, leash, backpack, and waterproof bag, everything you need to get started right away. The inflatable design allows for easy storage and transport, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventure. Number 5, niphean 10 feet 6 inches inflatable stand-up paddleboard, all-around SUP with accessories. Anti-slip EVA deck for adults and youth. 10 foot 6 inch all-around size, ideal balance of stability and maneuverability for beginners and experienced riders. Anti-slip EVA deck pad provides excellent grip and comfort for safer paddling, stable and beginner-friendly, designed for adults and youth of all skill levels. Durable inflatable construction, high-quality materials ensure strength and long-lasting performance. Complete SUP accessories included comes with essential gear for quick setup and convenience, lightweight and portable, easy to carry, transport, and store, perfect for travel, versatile use, great for cruising, yoga, fishing, and recreational water activities. Quick inflation system, efficient pump allows fast setup so you can get on the water quickly. Explore the water with confidence using the niphean 10 feet 6 inches inflatable stand-up paddleboard, designed for stability, durability, and ease of use. Its all-around shape provides the perfect combination of balance and maneuverability, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced paddlers. The anti-slip EVA deck pad ensures a secure footing and enhanced comfort, allowing you to paddle, practice yoga, or relax with confidence. Constructed from durable materials, this inflatable SUP offers reliable performance in a variety of water conditions. Complete with essential accessories, this paddleboard is ready to use right out of the box. Its lightweight and portable design make it easy to transport and store, making it a great choice for travel and outdoor adventures. Whether